Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RSLS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes summarizing everything pretty straightforward. So it's like, Clay, look, summarize this for me. I mean, this thing was an absolute total pump and dump. Now, I'm not saying pump and dump in regards to the company being sketchy or shady. I don't know anything about the company. I'm making that statement based solely on the price action today. And my definition of a pump and dump when it comes to price action is that the price makes a really nice move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. So let's just quickly go through this definition. And, we'll start off with where things started. And in my mind, things started when the price was able to actually break up above this kind of stubborn area. And that was right here around $2.30, give or take. I mean, but the point here being there was a level of resistance that the price struggled to get through. So that is, when the price was able to get through it, that is what I'm going to define as the starting point. So let's go through the definition. Like I said, price makes a really nice move. Well, we just established it started there, and it went all the way up there. So it gapped up there and then just continued to run after the gap up. I think we can all agree that was a really, really nice move. Next part of the definition, within a relatively short amount of time. Considering this all happened in one single day, once more, I'm hoping we can agree, yeah, this did happen in a short amount of time. And then finally, the price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. So again, where did we say this all started? Right here at that green line. Where did the price ultimately close? All the way down here. And not to insult your intelligence, but when you correspond that with over here on the chart, I mean, that's literally basically back to the lows of where it was. It's even lower than where things started. So if that's not a pump and dump, I don't know what is. So these ones are always kind of buzzkills because, somebody, some newer trader was buying up around here, was chasing the price, and they just got a tough lesson today. That's never good when you see stuff like that happen. But it is what it is. So yeah, pump and dump is the easiest way to explain this. Am I saying that the price can never, ever make another nice move again? No. Who knows? Maybe tomorrow things skyrocket again. I doubt it. But as far as today's price movement was concerned, as far as, this morning gap up and all that is concerned, that was just a total pump and dump. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.